This is a plug tester. Basically also helped me show that there's no electricity going through it. This actually locates the circuit if it's not labeled.
All right, we are back today. We are going to be going over into Ankeny. We're going to be adding some outlets in the basement and garage. We're going to be setting up a sub panel, but me and Nate here are going to be having a little bit of fun today, going in tomorrow, getting this all done. We will see you over in Ankeny here soon, guys. We are here in Ankeny right now. We are going to be working on the basement.
What's up?
Alrighty. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be coming over from this panel. We're going to be adding a new sub panel coming all the way over. We're going to be coming up, poking out through this side and going directly into the garage on that side. But we are going to be adding an outlet here. Here. This one's going to be a designated circuit for the freezer. We're going to be extending off of this for this outlet. Gonna get loud, but we're probably gonna do this today again. We'll just keep on going. Start with this on the sump, turn it into a double outlet.
This is a plug tester. Basically also helped me show that there's no electricity going through it. Shut off the right breakers. So these are actually kind of nice. This actually locates the circuit if it's not labeled. Works very well.
Y'all can watch Nate for a moment struggle. Watch this. So as you can see, we are struggling with wire at the moment. But other than that, we got one box cut in. It's got that strapped. I'm going to be getting the other box cut in here in a moment. Already got it strapped. Going to be coming in behind here doing that. And other than that, we just need to mess around with the panel a little bit. We already got the sump pump all figured out over here, obviously. Nice little fourplex system. We'll be putting the home surge over in this one since it's our main first point of disconnect. We're going to be putting a 60 amp breaker. We're going to feed the sub panel in the garage. And then we are going to be putting in a GFI arc fault breaker after that. So good stuff. So there we have it. We got boxes. Box, feeding that. That's all set up. And then we also got a couple new breakers into here, in which we ended up labeling. So tomorrow we're going to be finishing up. We're going to be doing the garage. Can't today because there's nothing to be able to be done today. But we will be coming back tomorrow, guys. Until then, see you next time. All right, good morning, everybody. We are going to be going to Ankeny. We're going to be dropping off my co-worker. He's going to be starting on the job we started on yesterday. I got to go over to Ames. A little bit of a issue that happened on with emergency service call. Made a decision, and it evidently wasn't the right one. So with us being human, mistakes happen. I'm going to go back. We're going to figure out what's going on, and we'll see you there here in a little bit. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, we got that one taken care of over in Ames. We're back over here in Ankeny. We are here with Nate. Say hi, Nate.
What's up?
And then over here in this corner of the world, we have Jeremy. So we are getting everything set up for the garage. Looks like Nate's come a better way of getting this piped up. Got the main landed. Got fish tape in here for this pipe. Going over here, we're going to be adding 3 more boxes for outlets. Jeremy's switching out that box over there from a single gang into a double gang. We're going to be doing the same thing over there for the other freezer. We are having fun today.
Hell yeah.
All right, I guess you guys are coming with me. We're going to go and change out a transformer, but as you can see, Jeremy's on his way of getting everything done. We got all the boxes mounted, wires pulled. We are about there. So say goodbye, everybody. Bye, Jeremy. Bye, Nate. All right, everybody. We are out here in Des Moines. So wasn't able to get a lot of footage, but let me just go ahead and run it down for you. What we did is we switched out a transformer for a door chime, and the door chime was also going bad, and what it was is buzzing really loudly. Now, I know I can't give you visuals, so let me break it down a little bit by bit. So what happened was initially when ADT came along, they installed a new chime. Everything was working great. Well, the thing is when they go and install their stuff, sometimes they don't look at the voltage on the transformer. So this one only went up to 10 VA, whereas it was a little bit of an older style. The newer ones actually require anywhere from a 12 to 24. So after I got that switched out, you know, is wiring it back up, and all of a sudden I noticed that it started buzzing even louder. I was like, okay, so a little bit of an issue. Ended up looking at everything when checked out the front door. Everything looked like it was fine, looked like it was hooked up. Went to go out the rear door, and the button was not cooperating correctly. So I went and took it out, and I realized that whoever ended up doing it before ended up screwing a screw right into the wire touching the side of the building. It was literally shorting itself out. So with that in mind, took that, fixed it, rearranged the wires so that way we could get it screwed back on, and lo and behold, doorbell system's back up and running, operational. He's got his rear and front view camera all taken care of, and I got the side door push button all taken care of. No more buzzing, everything works great. So I am going to be signing off, and Rewired says have a good one.